Mastering passive voice with can, an essential skill for English mastery. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting aspect of the English language, passive voice. More specifically, we'll focus on using passive voice with can. This is a vital tool in our language toolbox, especially when we want to talk about abilities or possibilities without necessarily stating who performs the action. So, let's jump right in. Before we dive into how to use can in the passive voice, let's remind ourselves what passive voice is. In passive sentences, the subject receives the action of the verb. This contrasts with active sentences, where the subject performs the action. For instance, consider these two sentences. Active: the cat chased the mouse. The cat is doing the action. Passive: the mouse was chased by the cat. The mouse is having the action done to it. The modal verb, can, is incredibly versatile in English. We use it to talk about ability, possibility, or permission. For example, ability: I can swim. Possibility: it can rain tomorrow. Permission: you can leave early today. Now, how do we merge the concepts of passive voice and can? Let's explore this in the next section. When we combine passive voice with can, we talk about an action that is possible or able to be done, but we don't specify who does it. It's formed by using can, followed by be, and a past participle. Here are a few examples. This book can be read in a few hours. We don't say who can read the book. The cake can be baked at 180 degrees. We don't say who can bake the cake. This construction is often used in instructions, rules, or general statements about what's possible or permitted. Let's practice constructing sentences with can in the passive voice. Try these on your own. The room _____ clean every day. The documents _____ sign by anyone. The test _____ finish in 1 hour. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs in parentheses. The answers are: the room can be cleaned every day. The documents can be signed by anyone. The test can be finished in 1 hour. And that's a wrap on using passive voice with can. Remember, it's all about expressing a potential action without specifying the doer. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find that these sentences can be formed with ease. Thanks for joining in today's session, and we hope this has brought you one step closer to mastering English. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.